Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on a Jaguar F-Pace with full navigation, this Android-based system, and we have been retrofitting a aftermarket but OEM style reversing camera. So this is where we can install a camera that's not made by Jaguar, but it integrates with the system. You get moving guidelines and all that sort of stuff. So what I'll do is I'll just move forward very quickly just so that you can get an idea of the view, and using the auto gearbox you pop it in reverse, and then as you see, you get your moving guidelines so that you can get a proposed trajectory of where you're going, and then as you reverse up you can see the sort of the image. It's a very good image as well. You're obviously getting your beeping going on as well. You do have this ghost image here, so your parking sensors can display. It's all right, it's not amazing, but it's just there just to give you a sort of a visual identifier. You've got your static guidelines there, so to give you an overall feel, and then you've got your moving guidelines so you can see the trajectory of where you're going. Now, for an aftermarket kit that is not made by Jaguar, to be able to get it on the screen and all that sort of stuff is pretty good, because you don't want those rubbish stick-on screens and all that sort of stuff, or a number plate like camera. So yeah, this is the Jaguar F-Pace reversing camera, all fully integrated onto the screen. Looks like it should be there from factory, and obviously with the guidelines and the static guidelines, they are there as a guide. It's to give you an indication of where the vehicle is going to end up based on the trajectory. It's not to the exact size of the F-Pace or anything like that. It's just an aid to give you an idea of where you're gonna turn up. Okay, so this is a 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. We've installed an OEM style aftermarket reversing camera, and yeah, this is it. If you want to get it sorted on your vehicle, as long as you've got the system that looks like this, then there's the kit available. If you have the longer, more rectangular system, there is a kit, but it's a bit more involved. This sort of install can't be done on a mobile basis just because it's so involved. It needs to be done in one of our workshops. So you can get in touch with us at www.advanced-incar.co.uk, or comment in the box below for any more sort of information, quick questions that you've got. And thanks for watching.